Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 6X 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the REVVL 6X is a new smartphone for Metro by T-Mobile. It is now available in a lunar gray color option, 128GB of storage, and this is what the phone looks like here. It looks like the REVVL 6, so that's pretty interesting. Next, you guys have your front-facing camera there. It's probably a teardrop notch, so it's kind of hard to tell there on screen. There's a screen now on the back of the REVVL 6X. It's a triple camera system, camera fresh T-Mobile logo. So very nice looking phone. The left side of the phone probably has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Back of the phone, like I just mentioned, triple camera system, camera flash T-Mobile logo, and this is the lunar gray color. That looks very nice. Right side of the phone has your volume keys and your power button there. So yeah. So the REVVL 6X can be yours for free if you guys get a new number with Metro by T-Mobile, or if you bring your own number to Metro, y'all guys can get the REVVL 6X for free, which is a really cool deal. The full retail price of the REVVL 6X is $199.99, so not too bad there. Also, pretty nice looking phone there, and not bad for a free phone, especially because this one has 5G, of course, so not bad for a free 5G smartphone. Features, so like I just mentioned, it has a triple camera system. It has a 50 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth cameras in the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 24.6 hours of talk time, 25 days of standby time, a 20:9 LCD display, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. It has 5G. It has a 6.52 inch HD plus display, 720 by 1600 pixels, 4500 mAh battery, triple camera system at MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. So it said the T-Mobile REVVL 6X 5G strikes a ideal balance of performance and features like a large HD plus display, triple camera system, double memory, and Google integration, all at an unbeatable price. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year limited warranty for the utmost confidence. So that is really cool. So y'all guys can check out the YouTube video right there. Just click on the video and the video will play. So pretty nice there. Specs. So the REVVL 6X has a 4500 mAh battery, has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Type-C charging port, which is standard now. You have Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.1. You'll also have NFC, so Google Pay will work on this phone, so that's pretty nice. You have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, Android 13, I'm assuming. It doesn't say what Android version, but I am assuming Android 13 on here. 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, 2TB of micro SD card expansion. You have 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platforms, internet compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot of course, frequency. The REVVL 6X 5G weighs 6.84 ounces, dimensions 6.56 inches height, 3.01 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. So what comes in the box is a REVVL 6X 5G smartphone, data cable, quick start guide, product safety information, and terms and conditions. So you will have to provide your own charger adapter. I don't know if it's type A charging adapter, or if it's type C to type C. I'm not really sure. It's probably type A to type C. I'm not really sure. So I would look into that before getting this phone here. So yeah, there you guys have it. The REVVL 6X 5G is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It is now available for free with a new number with Metro, or if you bring your own number to Metro, y'all guys can get this phone for free. So it's not a bad deal to get a free phone, especially this one. That looks very nice. It looks like the REVVL 6, of course. but this one has Android 13 on it. The full retail price of this phone is $199.99, so not bad for this budget smartphone. So not bad for a free phone, especially, you know. So check it on if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.